Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are replacing a taillight on a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This body style is from 2009 to 2014. Super simple, easy to do. If you want to replace either your light bulbs in your taillight or your taillight housing or your whole taillight itself, stay tuned, I'll show you how. All right guys, after you open your trunk, so we're going to be replacing the right tail light. But this is if you're going to replace not only the tail light, but if you're wanting to replace the bulbs. There is a panel right here, just pulls right off. And then you're going to have, I believe it's 4 bolts that you have to undo. These are going to be 10 ml bolts. Let me try to show you exactly where they're at. So there is one right here, one here, one here. Maybe there's only 3. Oh, I'm sorry. There is another one right up here, but it's actually missing a bolt. So if you were going to replace the bulbs and you didn't want to take the tail light out, there we go. That's a better view. All right. So if you wanted to replace the bulbs and not take the tail light out, here are your access to all your bulbs. There's 4 bulbs in this tail light. The reason why I'm replacing this whole tail light completely, I'll show you in a little bit, but they're simple, just twist and pull sockets. For me, just because how tight everything is here, I would prefer just unbolting it and removing the housing completely. Which, let me show you. So you use a 10 ml socket. If you don't have a socket, you can do a wrench. All right, sorry about the noise. I'll show you guys the back of the car. So I guess these are the tail lights, the quarter panel tail lights, and then you have your trunk lid tail lights. So that one has, looks like just your reverse lights on here on your trunk lid. And to get to that, looks like you have to take this whole panel off. But I'll probably show you guys that too also. But yeah. All right guys, so it was easier just to use 2 hands than one to take that plug out, but usually you just push in the tab. The plug side's out. It has its own little harness incorporated in the tail light for all the other plugs. But like I was saying, you just twist and pull, and then these come out. So you're wondering why I'm replacing the whole tail light housing, because it looks kind of perfect, which it is, except for one issue. So right there, if you look, I can't get this bulb out, and that's a different color bulb, but that's not the issue. Is whoever originally put the taillights in this car, or the bulb replacements, didn't let it sit well or seat well, so it didn't sit and then twist, so it melted this whole housing right here. And then because it melted that housing, I can't get this bulb So yeah, so that really sucks. So I'm gonna try to figure out if there's a way, maybe if I could reheat this up and try to reshape it to where I can get the bulb out. But cheaper option was go to the junkyard and look for tail lights. So I got lucky. I use an app called Row 52. What it does is you put your make and model, and then what it does is a local search. Like you can do up to, I believe it's like 500 miles out. And if any of these junkyards that are part of that website will give you a listing of what vehicles I have. So I was only able to find one tail light. This actually happened to both tail lights, so I have to replace both of them. So this cost me 40 bucks, or just a little bit over 40 bucks at one of the junkyards I found. Like I said, the junkyard had 3 cars listed. It was 3 separate junkyards that I had to go to. All of them were missing the tail light except for one. So I was able to at least get this one, and then I was able to get some bolts that it looks like the first person I put in ended up losing on both sides of the tail lights. So I got my replacement bulbs there, or nuts. But yeah, super simple, super easy to do. So this is a new replacement one. Yep. All right, guys, everything's reinstalled. Like I said, it took 4 bolts, took 2 seconds to unplug it. I was able to get it from a junkyard for 40 bucks, oh, just a little bit over 40 bucks. On the left side, I couldn't find at the junkyard. Like I said, there was 3 vehicles that I looked at, and that the right tail light was the only one I could find. Sorry, I'm kind of shaking you guys everywhere. But yeah, so I was able to order the left side from Rock Auto for just a little bit over 70 bucks. Not bad. Super simple to install. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, like I said, it's from a 2009 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to get to you guys as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe and that thumbs up button. All right, thanks guys, bye.